Hey, welcome back to Best Deals and Bundles Reviews here on YouTube. Today I'm talking about my new Shure MoveMic 2, which I just got. You can see right here. And I know I did a video not long ago talking about the microphone that I was using normally when I'm recording with my mobile device, but that's definitely changing. For now, I'm going to be using my MoveMic 2. It sounds so great. It is very portable. It has two of them, so if I wanted to go do an interview with someone, we could each have one. Everyone would sound perfect. You can set individual gains and losses, so if someone's super loud and obnoxious, you can tone them down, or if someone's quiet like me, you can boost them up because you want to be able to hear them. But overall, this is a super great product. I love this thing. It comes with two apps. One is if I could talk, one of them is a video recording app that I'm using right now to record this video. And the other is just an audio app. So say you're just doing a podcast, you want to record it, you can use the audio app. Everything will sound perfect and flawless. I would definitely recommend grabbing one of these. I did receive mine for free, so I could review it. However, if you want to get one, you can do that through the product link in this video's description. If you do, I will earn a small commission since it will be an affiliate link. If you like this video, tap that little like button, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss new content. Leave some questions down below. I'm happy to answer them. And as always, have a great day.